This week, Adobe introduced Firefly, a new family of creative generative AI models focused on the generation of images and text effects. Generative AI is the next evolution of AI-driven creativity that will transform the conversation between the creator and computer into something more natural. We've already seen some excellent examples of this in applications such as Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Blue Willow, and now Adobe are entering into this space. With Adobe Firefly, everyone who creates content, regardless of their experience or level of skill, will be able to use their own words to generate content the way they dream it up, from images to audio, vectors, videos, and 3D assets, and even creative ingredients like brushes, color gradients, and video transformations. They'll be able to do all of this with greater speed and ease than ever before. This week, Adobe launched the beta version of Firefly, which you can request early access to. And if you want to do so, I'll leave a link to the Firefly website in the description box below. Firefly will be integrated directly into its industry-leading tools and services, so users can effortlessly leverage the power of generative AI within their existing workflows. The first applications that will benefit from Firefly integration will be Adobe Express, Adobe Experience Manager, Adobe Photoshop, and Illustrator. The Firefly AI model has been trained on Adobe stock images, openly licensed content, and public domain content where copyright has expired, and is designed to generate content that is safe for commercial use without any issues in relation to copyright. Now, Adobe's intent is to build generative AI in a way that enables customers to monetize their talents, much like they've done with Adobe Stock and Behance. They're developing a compensation model for Adobe Stock contributors and will share the details once Firefly is out of beta. Adobe is also planning to make Firefly available via APIs on various platforms to enable customers to integrate into custom workflows and automations. So exciting news from Adobe entering the AI space in a big way. Now, of course, if you have been using Adobe products in the past, you've probably already used some of their early versions of AI-driven content. This has not been generative AI, but more workflow-related tasks that use AI in order to accomplish a certain goal. For example, if you've ever used the background removal tool in Adobe Photoshop, which auto-fills the background with predicted content. This is an early form of AI that they've been using via their Sensei AI engine. So Firefly is the next generation of Adobe AI that will take them into the domain of generative AI to go that one step further to allow artists to create content without the tedious work required, having to input multiple keystrokes on the keyboard and use the mouse, simply asking for a certain type of image and having that generated predictively inside the Adobe application. I think this is going to be very beneficial for Adobe users, and as more content becomes available, I'll be sharing it with you on the channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.